Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this episode, we will be learning how to contact Candy Crush Saga's customer support. To contact Candy Crush Saga customer support, first of all, you'll need to open up Candy Crush Saga app on your device. Once you open the app, go ahead and tap on the gear button, available at the bottom left or at the top right. This will bring up the settings menu where you'll need to tap on the little question mark icon. It'll then take you to your Help Center page. Browse through the FAQs or use the search box at the top to type in the category that you need help with. You can then find the related help topics from which you can expand the options and browse through the FAQs of the app. If you want to directly contact the customer support team, scroll all the way down and tap on the Contact Us button. You can then fill out the support form with details about your issue and then tap on Submit. Another way you can contact the customer support team is to directly emailing King's support team. Open up any email application and tap on the Compose button. Inside the to tab, type in support@king.com. Right after you type in the email, go to the subject field and type in the subject for the region that you are reaching out to the support team. In the Compose email tab, type down your email. Make sure to describe your issue in details. You can also include your player ID that is found in the settings within the Candy Crush Saga app. Right after you compose the email with the support that you need from the support team, you can then send your message by tapping on the send button or the arrow at the top right. Those were some of the ways you can reach out to Candy Crush Saga support team. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.